Okay, let's continue with the next speaker. So we're happy to have with us Seki Zheng, who's a marketing manager at SPIC. And she will speaking about leading efficiency forward, TBC technology development at SPIC Solar. Seki, the floor is yours.
Okay, thank you, Michael. First of all, it's a great honor to be here for the sharing, and thanks to TaiyangNews invitation. Now let me share my slide. Okay, can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay, then I will start.
Let's move to, yeah, super.
Okay, the topic of my presentation today is leading efficiency forward as TBC technology development at SPIC Solar. It will into four parts. Firstly, company introduction, and then walk through SPIC's TBC technology. Thirdly, advantages of our BC product, and last, N-type future outlook. So first, let's begin with the company introduction. State Power Investment Corporation, short for SPIC, is one of the 5 major power generation groups in China and the largest solar power generation enterprise in the world. SPIC ranked 256th among the Fortune Global 500 in 2024, with its business covering 47 countries and regions. This is a picture of our group headquarters building in Beijing, with our IBC and BIPV modules installed on its facade, which will be described in detail later. And SPIC has a total installed capacity of 238 gigawatts, including 69 gigawatts of solar power, ranking global first for 8 consecutive years, with clean energy accounting for 69.7% of the total. And when it comes to SPIC Solar, full name Qinghai Huanghe Hydropower Development Xilin Solar Power Branch, founded in 2009, it's a wholly owned subsidiary of SPIC and the only photovoltaic manufacturing company under SPIC. SPIC Solar has an annual production capacity of 1,100 megawatts solar cells, 200 megawatts modules, and the 200 megawatts IBC production line. It's located in Xining City, Qinghai Province. It was commissioned at the end of 2019 through cooperation with IC Research Center Constance in Germany, which is also the first high-efficiency, intelligent, fully automated N-type IBC cell and module mass production line in China. And there are 2 major manufacturing bases in Xining and Xi'an, as shown in the picture. As the first PV company to mass produce bifacial IBC modules in the world, we have the world's leading BC products with module efficiency of over 24%, including Andromeda series N-type BC modules, BIPV modules, flexible modules, solar tails, and so on. And here's a snapshot of our presence at solar exhibitions around the world. And next year, we will also attend PV Expo in Japan, Intersolar in Germany, and SNAC in Shanghai. Welcome to visit us at our booth and learn more about us by then. After having an overview of SPIC Solar, let's now move on to the heart of our innovation, the TBC technology. As the earliest PV company to lay out N-type IBC products in China, SPIC has been deeply engaged in BC technology for many years. We have cooperated with IC Constance to adopt Zebra IBC cell technology with independent intellectual property rights. Our IBC technology builds on a lean manufacturing process similar to PERC, with only 4 additional production steps for Zebra IBC cell, simplifying the whole process to just 11 steps. And all additional steps can be performed with standard equipment proven in mass production. Based on the original IBC production line, we have developed a P-poly IBC cell that requires only 1 additional step in the process and a 0.6% increase in cell efficiency. And the technology upgrade have been completed at the end of 2024. We insist the N-type cell is the development direction of industrialized high-efficiency cell in the future. In recent years, the low-cost and high-efficiency bifacial IBC technology has come close to maturity. Combining IBC and TOPCon technology can effectively reduce the metal composite of the cell and improves the passivation performance, which can bring more value to customers. So based on the P-poly IBC cell process, we added 3 additional steps. Here we have formed our new 14-step TBC mass production process. And here we can see switching to TBC cell, combining IBC and TOPCon technologies allows to maintain a steady improvement of cell efficiency. As you can see in the picture of our 9BB N-type TBC cell, there are no bus bars on the front side of the cell, which improves the light absorption by around 2.3%, achieving both an elegant appearance and higher efficiency. TBC cell technology also has advantages of lower cost and higher yield, and because it's more compatible with other technology, such as the perovskite technology, it has better potential for efficiency improvement. Since BC cells has no bus bar on the front side, cell gaps are more visible when the module is encapsulated. So in 2021, SPIC has innovatively adopted a stack-welded interconnection technology to eliminate cell gaps, and module efficiency has also been improved. As you can see in the picture, the version 1 module has obvious welding points and gaps. And the welding points on the black module looks just like galaxies in the universe, which is why we named our module Andromeda. After adopting the stack-welded technology in 2021, which was patented in the same year, the cell gaps are effectively eliminated in the version 2, which not only improves the efficiency, but also creates a pure black appearance. From 2024, the Andromeda series module have been upgraded to version 3, and which can be divided into 2 series, elegant black and high efficiency white. 3 specifications are available: 60 cells and 66 cells and 72 cells, which are suitable for household, industrial, and commercial, large ground power plants and other scenarios. Now let's take a quick look at our TBC products. The first is our new generation 9BB N-type TBC cell, which has superior aesthetics, combining the benefits of both IBC and TOPCon, and has achieved an efficiency of 26.08%. The second product is Andromeda bifacial module with bifacial factor over 70%. The 72-cell white module has higher efficiency and can reach a max power of 520 watts, efficiency up to 24.2%. We offer a 30 years power warranty and a 15-year product warranty for bifacial modules. And for the elegant series module, has more beautiful appearance by full black design. The monofacial one is backed by a 25-year power warranty and a 15-year product warranty. And the fourth product on the show is BIPV module. The product offers a full color appearance and can be used as an alternative to the traditional building facades. It has excellent thermal insulation and noise reduction performance, ensuring high power generation and aesthetic appearance of the building at the same time. As you can see, the BIPV module can be customized in size and color and pattern according to the application scenarios to meet the different needs of customers. And next is solar tiles. Also one of our green building materials, solar tiles can replace traditional roof tiles using a unique anti-glare surface design and generating up to 186 watts of power per square meter. We have different types of solar tiles, such as bark texture pattern, dragon scale pattern, and anti-glare ones, each of which can be customized in color and size to perfectly suit for the building. The last one is flexible module. The biggest advantage of the flexible module is lightweight, with a weight reduction of over 70%. The fact that it can be bent, making it ideal for the curved surface. And flexible module can also be used in vehicle-mounted PV solutions with features such as easy installation and intelligent monitoring. They can generate more revenue for our customers. And now that we have a clear understanding of our TBC technology and the products, let's explore the advantages that set us apart. First, market-leading efficiency. BC cells, especially TBC cells, are one of the most efficiently crystalline silicon cells. So with these cells, module efficiency can also be higher. We use N-type M6 wafers to make our cells, and through a unique process mentioned above, we can now achieve more than 26% efficiency in mass production. For rooftops, the module area is generally no more than 2 square meters, and our 66 cell module achieves 460 watts in this size with efficiency of 23.6%, which is competitive in the market. Second, excellent temperature coefficients. The open circuit voltage of crystalline silicon cells decrease as the temperature rises. For TBC cell, because of the high open circuit voltage, the module has lower temperature coefficients of minus 0.29, which ensures that the module generates more power on hot afternoons and hot summer days, thus increasing the overall power generation of the PV system. And next, superior low light performance. The front side of the TBC cell is not shaded by bus bars, resulting in lower surface recombination. This allows the inverter to be started early in the morning and switch off late in the afternoon, increasing the amount of the power generated in the whole day. As shown in the picture was on the SNAC in Shanghai a few months ago, we can see that SPIC solar cells still perform well in low light conditions indoors, combining with the longer power generation time, which gave our BC products an even greater advantage. The IBC structure is excellent in hotspot shading condition. As shown on the left, under the same test conditions, the hotspot temperature of our IBC modules is 80 to 110 degrees centigrade, much lower than other types of cell and modules. And when a module is shaded, the shading part of a conventional module becomes a load, causing the diode to conduct and the string of cells to stop working. In the case of TBC modules, the shading part becomes a conductor rather than a load, and does not affect the operation of the module. And in the shading example on the left, the conventional module becomes 0% and TBC module still produce more than 58%. And the data will be different depending on the size of the shading part. The N-type BC cell module has no LID and LETID degradation, battery power generation in the first year, an annual degradation of 0.35% after the first year, and the guaranteed power value of 90.6% over a 25-year lifetime, which is a significant advantage. And the reliability of our products have been recognized by industry authorities. We have received the first TÜV Rheinland and the first CGC certificates for IBC products in China, and has also passed PVEL's PQP test and won the title of top performer from 2021 to 2022. Our product with a bifacial factor of over 70%, as shown on the right. In the fixed tilt construction, the different rear side power generation is depending on the surface albedo. We can see that the lighter the ground color, the higher the bifacial gain we get. And we can see the product front side without bus bars and has a full black appearance. It's very perfect for rooftops and buildings. With our anti-reflective coating technology and new texture surface technology, we have effectively reduced the blue light reflection of the cells and reducing color difference of the modules and creating a pure black appearance. These are some installation examples for our BC modules. On the far left is our group headquarters building in Beijing, which uses 9 different IBC and BIPV modules. And the black ones on the front side are the BIPV modules. And next to it are some facade and rooftop projects using black BC modules. And below right is an example of our flexible modules used in multi-roof. And this electric passenger ship project was a collaboration with IC Constance using our bifacial IBC modules, and it's still running as a Lake of Constance. And at last, back to the topic today. As we all know that cell technology iteration has always been the key to drive the development of the PV industry. The past few years have been the rapid expansion period of N-type cell technology, and N-type BC technology is into a new era. Since SPIC's existing BC technology has excellent equipment and process compatibility, so with the current advantage of BC technology, you may wonder where we go from here. As we enter the tandem era, we believe that the further efficiency gains in cell and modules will depend on perovskite and the crystalline silicon tandem cell technology. The industry has realized the large operation of perovskite modules, and the combination of crystalline silicon and crystalline silicon cells and the perovskite materials to form a tandem cell module, which can extend the range of spectral utilization and improves the efficiency of cell and modules. And the efficiency can break the efficiency limit of single junctions to over 30%. Compared to crystalline silicon cells, perovskite cells are characterized by high open voltage and low current, which is the main reason that the electrical performance of perovskite and the BC modules can be matched. The perovskite and TBC tandem module, which uses matching voltage, connects the modules in parallel and realizes the two-terminal output. Perovskite and TBC tandem technology combines the advantages of both. It enables second-end output and reduces system and cost, and of course, with higher efficiency in an elegant appearance. And since TBC cell has lower hotspot temperature than perovskite cell, which effectively preventing the encapsulation material and the perovskite from aging. So with good stability and better compatibility, so it can be rapidly industrialized and promoted following the industrialization of large-scale perovskite modules. As the first PV company in China to lay out N-type IBC products, SPIC Solar has been engaged in BC technology for many years. With the commitment of the world's leading manufacturer of BC products, we will continue to develop more leading efficiency PV products based on BC technology and open up a more sustainable future. Okay, that's all for my presentation, and thanks everybody for listening. And thank you, Michael.
Thanks, Seki. Just a brief question. I think it was amazing how much applications you also showed, and but you showed in the beginning also that you had this 200 megawatt line. So in terms of production capacities, what are your plans now for the next few years? Also, when you talk about the potential of tandem and type. Can you reveal some numbers? So in terms of production output, where you want to go?
For now, we are still focused in TBC modules, TBC technology, and the tandem technology are still in the R&D stage. So TBC technology is still our the focus.
Yeah, but okay. You mentioned you have this 200 megawatt line. So I think what's your plans for expansion? Okay, probably these days, not too many people are talking about expansion because we have so much overcapacity. But what's your target in terms of BC to expand output?
The 200 megawatts in the production line is IBC, IBC production line, and we upgraded to TBC production, TBC technology. But in recent years, we will still focus on the TBC. But the next step, we will let our R&D team workers to show you in the chat window.
Okay, super. Thank you so much. Okay, if anyone has questions, please ask Seki in the chat window. Thanks so much.